Hey guys, I'm Dr. Huey, and today I am going to go over a really important concept in statistics, which is central tendency. So let me share my screen, and we're going to talk about the three types of central tendency that are used in statistics. The first one is mean, the second one is median, and the third one is mode. And so what statisticians and psychologists are interested in is the average of a numbers, of a set of data. And so these three different types of averages give us different information about where the center point of the data lies. So the first one is the mean. The mean you guys are probably familiar with. It's the average set of scores. So it's taking the average of a number. What you do to get the mean is you add up all the numbers and you divide by n, or the sample size in a given population. So how many participants or how many people you had in your population is what you divide the total by. So let's take an example to help you guys understand. So participants were asked to record how anxious they felt on a scale of 1 to 10. So 1 meant they weren't anxious at all, and 10 was that they were extremely anxious. So the first participant, here are all the records of the answers. The first participant was an anxiety level of 5, right in the middle. The second participant was a little more anxious with an anxiety level of 7, and so on and so forth. So in order to get the mean, what you do is you add up all the scores. So you take 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus 9, and you get a total of 33. The second step is you divide the total by the number of participants. So there were 5 participants in this case, and so you divide 33 by 5, and you get the average of 6.6. Then you might want to look at the mode. The mode is the most frequent number in a data set. So in this case, you can actually very easily see that 9 occurs twice, and all the other scores only occur once. So 9 in this case is the mode because it's the most frequently occurring number in the data set. 5 occurs once, 7 occurs once, but 3 occurs once, but 9 occurs twice. So that's considered the mode. Then the last one is the median. The median is the number that lies in the center of the data set if you number the data set from lowest to highest. So in this case, we're going to put the data set in order. 3 is the lowest score that we received in this data set, then 5, then 7, and then 2 nines, 9 and 9. So you simply find the middle number. So in this case, the middle number is 7. And so, you have 3 and 5 on one side and 9 and 9 on the other side. And so we found from our central tendency of this data set that the mean was 6.6, the median was 7, and the mode was 9. Hopefully this helps to clarify, guys. Thank you for joining in and listening.